Hi everyone! I'm so happy to meet you in my kitchen, and today we will make banana pancakes. And let's go! Let's start! So we will need next ingredients. I'm vegan, so for cooking I will use vegan ingredients: almond milk and vegan eggs. You guys have two options. You can make vegan pancakes like me, or you can make regular banana pancakes. So you can use other milk and regular eggs. So basically, guys, do what you like. Step number 1, we mix the milk, eggs and flour. Step number 2, we add the rest of the ingredients, 2 bananas and sugar. You add sugar how much you like. For mixing, you can use a mixer or regular whisk. Step 3. Put the pan on medium heat and hold for 3 minutes. Then add a small amount of oil. Put a small amount of dough on the pan and flatten for 3 minutes. Then turn and do the same for another 3 minutes on other side. Keep cooking the same way. It will take you about half an hour. Banana pancakes are ready. Now we need to decorate them beautifully. In my opinion, beautiful decoration is very important step. You can use different berries, fruits, you can use cinnamon or powdered sugar. Everything is ready and I'm so excited to try them. I think making banana pancakes is not so hard. Of course it takes some time, but it's worth it. I think you and your family will be very glad to try them. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I hope you cook this dish. There are many interesting recipes to come because I love cooking so much. Bye bye!